Welcome to Terminology Tutor. Today, we're exploring 50 diverse English vocabulary, categories like space exploration, marine life, and others. Join us to boost your English fluency, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more enriching content. Stars, planets, moon. Orbit refers to the curved path that an object takes around another object in space due to the force of gravity. Asteroid, a larger rocky body orbiting the Sun. Satellite, an object that orbits a planet or celestial body, naturally like a moon or artificially for purposes like communication, weather monitoring, and navigation. Solar eclipse. Aurora.
Shooting star. Rocket.
Astronaut.
Telescope.
Planetarium. A theater with a domed ceiling that projects images of stars and planets for educational and entertainment purposes. Gravity. The force that attracts objects with mass toward each other, particularly the force that causes objects to fall toward the Earth. Coral.
Coral reef. Sea refers to a body of salt water smaller than an ocean and partially enclosed by land.
Fish.
Whales. Submarine. Dolphin. Shark. Wave. Octopus. Squid. Jellyfish. Seaweed.
Starfish. Tsunami. Sea turtle. Sea lion.
Ocean. Seal. Manatee. Seabirds.
Scuba diving. Continents. Mountain. Mountain range. A series of connected mountains. Desert. River. Canyon. Island. A piece of land surrounded by water. Fisherman. Plant. Roots. Stem. Leaves.
Flower. Fruit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.